younger generations are different from mine in that they don't have the immigrant experience in their world. They don't have the boobies and zadies. Even if they have parents that come from Europe, it's not the same as it was then. One of my uncles, who's also a relative, my aunt married a first cousin, he has 2 sisters and a half-brother and a cousin. The sisters were already in Israel, but the half-brother is a Holocaust survivor. I remember when they came in the early 1950s, when he found out they were alive, and they came, all the excitement and the wonder. And my kids don't have that. I, therefore, want to see, and I think that the National Yiddish Book Center is one of the places that can bring at least a taste of a memory of that experience, because of having books, interactive, clips of movies, clips of theater, clips of music, and hopefully hearing some of this oral history, because I know there have been a variety of people with experiences. And part of me feels sad, and part of me feels we'll still be there. And because I think I see myself as part of a chain of Jews going back. I love history. And so that's how I see it.